This is an active technology. Airdog was proven to have killed SARS-CoV-2. Of course, all the harmful particles cannot be seen by naked eyes. Hi, I'm Alex, an American living and working in Vietnam. Everything you have seen are prominent features on this air purifier. What we all care about is an air purifier, are filters and technology, right? Let me show you a very special filter. This is the filters of Airdog purifier, including pre-filter, wireframe as ionic field, collecting plate, and last one is catalyst filter. Airdog is the first air purifier that did not use HEPA technology, as most of all air purifiers on the market, because they had the TPA patented technology. This is an active technology, can annihilate harmful particles, bacteria and viruses. Airdog was proven to have killed SARS-CoV-2. Cleaning journey of Airdog is so simply but not normal. Firstly, harmful particles will pass through the pre-filter and then through the wireframe as an ionic field that creates high voltage electronics to destroy and charge particles down to 0.046 micron. Did you know traditional HEPA purifier particles 0.3 micron is 20 times bigger than TPA? More dangerous, HEPA just blocks dust and cannot kill bacteria and viruses. Take a look at my old HEPA, so dusty. I think there are a lot of bacteria here. What will happen if we dispose of this dusty filter in the environment? If everybody also does that, environment will be more and more polluted, because pollutants that were once collected can escape back into the air. Airdog Reusable air purifier says no to the wasteful HEPA filters. With our reusable, easy clean collecting place, you will save time, money and our planet. This is also the second reason that makes me love Airdog more. You see, the collecting places are so dusty, but Airdog Reusable filter creates an easy clean system that is safe and effective. Just wash with the detergent and reuse them. Oh, terrible! I usually clean it. This alarm is how the air is polluted. Of course, all the harmful particles cannot be seen by naked eyes. We have to realize that the air is so polluted, especially in a big city like Ho Chi Minh. As you can see, this filter is so easy to clean. No need to change filters with Airdog, just wash them. This can save you lots of money and hassle. In Vietnam, it's not easy to buy HEPA filters. Sometimes I have to buy them online. I'm not sure about their quality. Last filter name is catalyst filter. We have carbon inside. It removes unpleasant odors, keeping your air fresh and pure, with ozone emission of 0.01 ppm. Airdog is one of the most environmentally friendly and safe air purifiers on the market. It's perfectly safe to use in a living or working room environment full-time. Airdog was born in the USA, which is my country. Americans call it family's doctor with a white look. Having an Airdog doctor, I believe everyone will be well. Airdog kills 99.99% of all the bacteria, mold and viruses. X5 has a CADR of 220 CFM, which could circulate a 450 square features room 3 times in an hour. It also has convenience functions like child lock, sleep, smart control. For my family conveniences, I choose 3 models, one for living room, one for bedroom and another for kitchen. My friends came to my house and asked me, "Hey Alex, your house is so amazing, the air is so fresh and pure." With smart control, I can control an Airdog no matter where I am, so I always have fresh air to welcome me when I come back home. Let's choose an Airdog purifier for a high-quality life, happiness and healthy, however simply like this.